It has been reported Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Limited, working in collaboration with INEOS Corporation, has completed development of a second generation X ROVR, a plant inspection robot with explosion-proof features, by utilizing remote maintenance technology for nuclear power plants. Realization of a practically viable model has been achieved after successful verification of the robot's explosion-proof capability, incorporation of a manipulator, development of a requisite software, and the completion of demonstration testing of the first unit. The new robot will be launched into the market under the commercial name Ascent. The adoption of a 6 DOF explosion-proof manipulator with a light-equipped camera enables close-up and front-facing photography from diverse positions of complexly arranged plant instrumentation, measurement of gas density, sound recording, and the acquisition of thermal images are also possible. In addition, when used in combination with the online app provided as a standard feature, the operator can perform remote setting and management of inspection schedules and the confirmation of inspection data. In the event of an incident occurring in the plant, remote monitoring enables swift identification of on-site conditions, thereby contributing to higher plant inspection efficiency and safe, swift resolution of the incident in question. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. GuessR Inc. is a leading customized robotics manufacturer specializing in unmanned systems for civilian, tactical, and industrial applications. If you are in need of an unmanned system or consultancy, be sure to reach out via the link in the description and comment section. Until next time, thank you.